Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today I'm going to be doing something I never thought I would do. Until I saw Makeup by Jack do this, it was the Natural Makeup Challenge, or look, I don't remember exactly. Um, but I decided, I'm like, you know what? I never do anything natural. Let me try. So today we're going to try to do something natural. I'm not even going to touch my brows because like they're already kind of there, so I'm not even going to touch them. So let's get into the eyes, which I'm not even going to use my regular primer. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer in C6 as primer. So to set that, I'll be taking number 1 from the Not a Basic Peach palette, which is the top shade up here, and I'll be taking that and applying it all over the lids. Okay, so we're going to go very natural today, so I'm only going to take the slightest bit of this matte shade right here and a little bit of the transition shade together, and very lightly going to run that into the crease. So I'm going to take just a little bit of the shade right here, the very peachy one. Peach, I don't know why I always go like very uh, southern with that. I'm just going to let that just above, just to blend. To finish off this natural look, I'm going to take this shade right here, this kind of pale champagne shade, and just pop that on the lid. Now I'm just going to blend. Now I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes and put it on my Lancome HD mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my primer, the Kat Von D Hydrating Priming Base, my go-to. I am already like crying because this is my second bottle and I need more. Just gonna apply this all on the face and everywhere. So, yeah. So now I'm gonna let that get tacky, and while it's getting tacky, I'm gonna turn on my fan because I am burning up. Okay, so now that that is tacky, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Focus Foundation and the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I'm gonna apply this all over the face. And I don't know how coverage-wise this is, but I just hear good things about it, so I'm like, okay, might as well try it. I have a big face. So I actually really think that this is a nice color match, and I'm gonna apply it on the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm just like, okay, I surprisingly like this. Yeah. For concealer, I'm going to go in with 2, and I'm going to go in very lightly. One I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal True Match in N123, and the other is the uh, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C6. I'm just going to go very lightly. I mainly want to use this one because I feel like C6 is a little bright, so go a little more natural than bright. Yeah, that's very, very pigment. I forgot how. Okay. I actually, let me be honest, I haven't. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna leave this part in. I haven't done makeup for my channel in about 2 weeks. I had pre-recorded and I had other things and I had to do. I had family in town, so I could not get time to record. So I'm very lucky that I was able to stay up to date with with recording. I mean, with uploading, but I was not able to record. So yeah. I'm going to take a little bit of the Kat Von D Lock It Setting Powder and just bounce it under the eye to set those powders. I mean, set the concealers. And I'm going to take my Kat Von D setting powder brush and set the rest of my face with the same setting powder. I cannot speak. Okay, so now we're going to take my bronzer. I used the Tarte, this is Park Avenue Princess matte, and I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush and just slightly like bronze. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of blush. This is Party by Tarte. This is one of the Amazonian clay blushes. It's been my go-to blush for the last few months, so yeah, I picked up too much. Just slightly. Okay, and so for highlighter, I don't really have that much of a natural highlighter, so I'm going to be taking the Sephora Collection Illuminate palette. I'm going to take the shades 3 and 4, just slightly on my Milani highlighting brush. You go, you have very natural glow, which is good because the other ones I had out are too strong. Honestly, I'm really liking this foundation. Oh my god. Under the eyes, I'm going to be just taking this shade right here and running that. And you know what? I'm going to take just a little bit of this one and this one. Actually, just a little bit of this one to just get a little bit of definition out here. Lower lash mascara, the same one. The inner corner, just a little bit. I'm going to take the same two shades I used for highlight. To make it seem like you have a little bit of your natural skin poking through, I'm going to take a eyeliner in brown and just add my little beauty mark I have right here. Now for the lips. So I'm actually going to line my lips in, what's the name of the shade? Bear to Comment. Okay. And it's a Wet n Wild gel lip liner. Now I'm going to take the shade Nudist Peach by Wet n Wild and put that on the lips. Okay, so I'm actually going to set my face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'll be right back. And I'm also going to let down my hair. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I feel weird. I feel weird because I'm like, okay, this is not a color I normally wear, but I like it. I never do something like this nude on the eyes. I like it though. I'm like, where's my contour? Where's my contour? Where's my over the top highlight? Okay, yeah, no. On camera, it's showing up a lot more than in person. Like, this is not that impressive in person. It looks very, like, natural. Actually, everything looks kind of dewy still, so I'm okay. So yeah, this is just like I guess this is my actual, real, natural look. The look I posted on Instagram a few days ago was my, I'm gonna go out and I need to make sure I look good for over 12 hours look. um, but yeah, for natural, I think this is pretty natural. And again, I like, even the finish of this is natural, and I love it. Oh my gosh. It's like not quite dewy, not matte, but it's like there's life to it, and I really enjoy that. On camera, it is picking up more like dewy, and I'm noticing that because of my little thing, but otherwise, yeah, this is like unusual for me. I'm like, where's the highlight? Again, showing up more on camera. Um, and this foundation, I really like it. I'm not completely sold on this, even though I bought it, so I technically am sold on it. I'm just like, eh. Ultimately, it takes less time with my brushes than with that, but I do have to say, I do like how this looks with it. So, I prefer this one. I prefer this foundation with the sponge, than I did my Milani with the sponge. So, that's the one thing I will say. Aside from that, I need to stop rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little unusual. Then again, I'm unusual. So, yeah. I hope to see you next time. Oh no, actually, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button. Every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye. Feels so weird.